Magnani absent. Chapter 1 from moments, chapter 1 from behind. English complete RN. ईमेल आईडी स्नेहा आप सुन लीजिए, आपको नहीं दिख रहा, आपने पोस्टल टेस्ट भेजा होगा और आपको जो सर्कुलर आया उसमें भी ईमेल मेंशन होगा। ईमेल है kanupriyasaxena@gmail.com। प्रांजल, I didn't get your question. हितेश, रिवीजन इंग्लिश का, ठीक है। पीयूष, okay. Shiraz, the class agree with you. Let's just quickly ask couple of questions. आपका एक क्वेश्चन है शिराज, and let's just revise English. Okay, so are we ready for question? Let's first take Beehive, chapter number first, the fun they had. Okay, I will quickly ask the questions. Raise I think I've made a mistake. How old are Raji and Tommy? Who will give the answer? Nobody wants to give. Raise your hands quickly. Hina, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, Margie.
Could you answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Margie is of 11 years old and Tommy is of 13 years old.
Yes, yes. What is the answer? How old were
Yes.
they? Tommy and
Yes.
Margie?
Ma'am, Margie is of 11 years old and Tommy is of 13 years old.
I think the voice is not coming. Hina.
Ma'am, Margie is of 11 years old and Tommy is of 13
Speak
years
up.
old.
Tell me about Margie and Tommy. How would you answer? It is a three number. Tell me about Tommy and Margie. Neha, unmute yourself. Yes, Neha, quickly unmute yourself. Not answering? Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha.
What
If
was
I
the question?
ask you question number 3 number, tell me about Margie. What would be the answer?
Repeat.
What? Tell me something about Margie and Tommy.
मार्जी और टॉमी के बारे में बताएं। मार्गी Margie was 11-year-old child and Margie was 11-year-old child girl and Tommy was 13 years old. They had never seen a book before
See, if
and
I ask you a question of a 3 number, at least you have to write 5 lines on it, 5-6 lines about it, and only writing 1 line. Yes. And
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
accordingly. So, could you please answer the question again? Could you please answer?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Margie was 11 years old, a girl child, and Tommy was 13 years old, and they had never seen a book before. And they had never seen a book before. They had a and they didn't go to school, and they had a mechanical teacher.
Yes, very nice. But first say that they are brothers and sisters. And it's a story about future. So they are futuristic brothers and sisters. Hina, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What if I asked a question,
Yes,
in your view, tell me the difference between the mechanical teacher of future and today's teacher.
ma'am. The future mechanical teachers, they will taught on computers and television screens, and they didn't have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. But in the today's teaching system, they have they have a living person as a teacher who would teach the students in a classroom.
Very nice. And write a couple of sentences on your point of view. If I'm asking your point of view, so give one sentence that which you think is better.
Mm,
And both the answers is right. If you prefer, also right. If you prefer a mechanic, if I'm asking your point of view, mention one line which clearly states that you prefer this type of teacher. So your preference should be in the last sentence. Now, another question. Who will answer? Raise your hands quickly. Describe the mechanical teacher. Numbers are 3. Describe the mechanical teacher. Who will respond? Quickly raise your hands. Shiraz, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe mechanical teacher. 3 number marks question.
Mechanical teacher is display these studies on the screen. He's not physically.
First line should be mechanical teacher is a imagination
Computer
of the,
like.
it's a futuristic device
Yes,
of
ma'am.
teaching. So first line is that it is a futuristic point of view of an author, or it is an imaginary system of teaching. Sis, build up your answer. Then what happens?
Then
Then what happens? You can tell that the Margie, what kind of subjects a mechanical teacher used to teach, how they used to teach, where they have to submit the homework. It has a slot for taking the assignments. And you can also talk about the problems of a mechanical teacher had. Her brother Tommy's history sector was disturbed, and it has to go for repair, and it took 1 month
geography.
to repair. So you can talk about the problems of mechanical teacher, which was there in the chapters. And Margie,
Okay, ma'am.
and there was a problem with Margie's teacher who was a step further away, and the screen were moving very quickly. So talk about the positive parts and the negative parts, just to build up your answer, which were there in the story. Okay, last question from this chapter. Tell me about the interaction of county inspector and Margie. Yes, Hina, very nice. Very nice. So for three numbers, I need 6 to 7 lines, which makes sense. Repeated lines would not be counted. Who will tell me about the county inspector? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को पहले तो बुलाया क्यों? बुलाया तो उसने किया क्या? उसका मार्जी से बिहेवियर कैसा था? Yes, Drashti, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the country inspector was a cheerful, kind man, and he gave a Margie an apple and patted her head. He checked her computer and he adjusted the geography sector to Margie's level and assured her mother that her progress was satisfactory.
Yes, first line, very nice. First line should be county inspector was called by Margie's mother. पहले तो वो आया क्यों? Because Margie's performance was continuously deteriorating in the geography sector. Yes, the first, a very nice answer. First you have to mention आया क्यों था, फिर उसका Margie से behavior कैसा था, और फिर क्या उसने problem solve कर पाई. Yes, Harshal, very nice. When you're talking about here, you can use this line also. Akshat, you have joined late. So syllabus for English is complete grammar, Moments chapter 1, behind chapter 1, and read chapter 1 from poem section also. And in math section, chapter 1, 2, and 3. There would be 4 questions of 5 marks each in both the exams. Yes, now let's go to moments. Anybody wants any clarity on chapter number 1 of Beehive? Do you have any doubt? See, अगर क्वेश्चन का नंबर बड़ा है, जितना मैंने लिखवाया या जो आपको आता है उससे, तो आपको उसको बढ़ाना कैसे है? Write a sentence of that event or line sentence of that event before, and later on write a sentence what happened after. So example, if I'm talking about county inspector वाला example लेते हैं. Why was he called? Who called? एक दो sentences में चले जाते हैं. Mother called because there was a problem with Margie's performance in geography. And then when he came, one line for his behavior with the child. He was not rude to her at all. Then next line would be how did he repair? And next line would be Harshal has put a very nice sentence that Margie was hoping that he would not be able to repair it. Once he has opened the computer, he would not be able to close it. So Margie was hoping that ये computer भी गया, एक महीने तक छुट्टी, no studies at all. But it did not happen. And then what happened? He quickly solved. What did he solve? Geography sector slow kara. And then last line is he assured the mother that the Margie's performance was up to the mark. She was not poorly performing. So this complete event would be a short paragraph. This would suffice for 3 numbers, no problem. Now, who will tell me chapter The Lost Child? What were the things? See, there are 2 categories of things which were attracted by the child. Once before going into the fair, there are 2 separate questions. Before going to the fair, what things he saw, and then what did he saw inside the fair. So if I merge all these questions and I say what all the things attracted the child, so you have to give the answer in 2 different paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you have to mention all the things before entering to the fair, and in the second paragraph, you have to tell what are the things he saw and what attracted. So who will answer what were all the things that interest the little child? Who will answer? Aryan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, could you please answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, on his way to the fairs, the child sees toys, balloons of different colors, garlands of glimmer, a swing, and a snake charmer playing a flute.
This is the things which he saw inside the fair. I'm asking you to merge two answers. I'm asking you to merge the things which you saw before also. You getting the point? There were some things which you saw before also. There were insects, there were yellow fields, there were
Ma'am,
birds.
flower, musting field, dragonflies.
Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. So you get my point? I hope everybody understood it. जब दो क्वेश्चंस मर्ज करके पूछा है, मैंने पूछा all the things that excite him and the numbering is 3 or 4, so you have to merge 2-3 answers. He was going, पहले आप बताइए कि बच्चा था किसके साथ, पेरेंट्स के साथ था, गया कहाँ जाना चाह रहे थे वो लोग, मेले में जाना चाह रहे थे, फिर उसके बाद क्या मेले में जाने के रास्ते में उसको क्या क्या दिखाई दिया, what all the things they were there, the field, and he was toys and insects, birds and everything. He was circling around the parents and parents were continuously calling him. Then second paragraph mein you will mention the things which he has seen inside the fair and were attracted. There it comes snake charmer and the big wheel and sweet shop and flower shop and everything. Yes, Neha, unmute yourself. Answer the second question. Could you please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What were the things that interested him inside the fair, and then later on he lost interest in them, and why? Now I've asked you 3 questions. I've
Yes, ma'am.
asked you, first part is what were the things that he found very interesting inside the fair. Second question is how did he lost interest, and the last part is why. Could you please answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the fair, the child sees balloons of different colors, garland of gulmohar, a swing, and a snake charmer playing a flute. He gets attracted with all these things, but he knew if he begged for these things to his parents, they will never agree. So he refused, and so he didn't beg for these things to his parents, and he was so attracted to these things that he lagged behind.
Yes, ठीक है.
और क्या क्वेश्चन था मैम?
Why did he lost interest?
उसने इंटरेस्ट इसलिए खोया था बिकॉज उसको पता था अगर वो अपने पेरेंट्स से इसकी जिद भी करेगा तो इस चीज के लिए एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे.
I'm asking about the second part of the story where he realized he was lost and now he wants his father and mother only. Now he's not interested in all these things. So that answer I'm looking forward. Yes, thank you, Neha. Jaya, you want to answer? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. When child realized that he has lost his way and he is separated from his parents, then he think and there was no importance of other things.
Yes.
He only wanted to be united with his parents.
Yes. And this is the reason it covers, yes, very nice answer. Thank you. It covers the last question also. Why? Because now he wants only his parents. Why was he afraid to go to his parents? Initially, yes. Initially, he didn't wanted to ask his parents because he knew that parents would refuse because of he wants everything and anything. But later on, when he realized he was lost and he was all alone, then he doesn't want any toys, sweets, gardens, or ride. He just wants to be united with his parents. Yes. One more question can we take? Give me the interaction between the stranger and the child. What I'm trying to ask is, how did, first you have to say that the child was lost, and then how did the stranger met him, And how did the stranger help him? And what must have been in the end of the story, which was not written? Give the detailed description of the interaction of a stranger with the child. Who can answer this? Neha, again, nobody else is trying. Neha, Hina, Nitish, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, please
Yes.
repeat the question.
I'm saying give the detailed description of the interaction between the stranger and the lost child.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when child realizes that he had lost in the fair, then, ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
And when he realized he was lost.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when he realized that he was lost and he could not find his parents, then he lost all his interactions and attractions from the things that he want before, and running here and there to find his parents. But a stranger he saw but the stranger saw the child who is running here and there, and he thought that he lost his parents in the fair. Then he
Stop. There is one more thing. The child thought that everybody is going to the temple, so his parents must also be going to the temple. So he rushed inside the temple. There was huge crowd, and he was about to get crushed, so he started screaming. Then only the stranger saw him when he was screaming and he was about to get crushed in the crowd. Then what
yes,
happened?
ma'am, then the stranger took him from the crowd to the safe place and asked him that and how he lost in the fair and where is his parents, etc. So he replied that I want mama, I want papa, and I want my parents. So the stranger helped him by finding his parents, but he couldn't. So he मैम उसको क्या मैं उसको वो मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि
The stranger wanted to console the child. He
यस मैम
wanted
वही
the
मनाने
child
की
to
कोशिश कर
stop
रहा था.
crying.
यस
Yes.
मैम.
Then what
मैम
did he do?
मैम उस है ना चाइल्ड को मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो रोना बंद करे, और मैम उसको फिर बाकी चीजों से अट्रैक्ट कर रहा था कि ये आइसक्रीम है, ये बहुत सारे
Yeah, he
गुब्बारे
showed other
ऐसे.
things which normally a child would like to have, but the child was very much
बट ही
bothered.
रिफ्यूज मैम.
Yes, he refused because he only wanted his parents. Yes.
पेरेंट्स.
And last line would be, what were you think? What happened in the next? The stranger took care of the child forever for the entire thing. Yeah,
मैम
for
आई थिंक दैट the stranger by the help from the stranger he find his parents according to me, and
yeah.
child became very happy by
And
finding his
such was
parents.
stranger was very nice, very well tried.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Anybody else wants to say this? Neha, you want to say the same answer? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to say the same answer? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Answer to यही था. When the child was running here and there in the crowd to search his parents, that's why he entered in the temple, and there was such a huge crowd that a man and a kind-hearted man in the crowd saw the child and saw that the child was screaming for his parents and was crying, and he saw that he was lost. So he went near him and lifted him up in his arms, and he asked him that how did you lost and where is your parents. Then he replied that I want my mother. So the kind-hearted person tried his best to console him and to refuse and to divert his mind so that he stopped crying. He saw him. He 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 asked
And?
him. And yes, ma'am.
And then
Yes, ma'am. He gave him
He
many
tried to
things.
show. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. He tried to show him various things like round bound, and he told him that you want to write, and he asked for chocolates, that you want any chocolate, any sweet, any flower, but he refused everything. He was only crying and saying, "I want my mother and father." But the man still trying to make the child happy. He was still trying, but the child was not considering anything, and he was only crying for his
Yes,
parents.
yes, there was no chocolate mentioned in the chapter because this was the time of independence. There was no
Chocolates,
chocolates
I mean
available.
sweets, sorry.
No
Sweets.
chocolates was there in the chapter, only
Hmm?
sweets, yes.
Yes, ma'am, sorry, sweets.
Then what happened?
Ma'am,
Last conclude.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then
Hmm.
according to my opinion, the child might have find his parents because the kind-hearted person was very honest, and that's why he might took the child with him and help him to search his parents. And on the other hand, his parents also searched for his child. So I think at the end he met his parents and he
Yes,
found
the
his
stranger.
parents.
Yes, very nice. The stranger went out of the way and made sure that he found his parents. Very nice answers. Both of you were very good. And one more question. Let's take one more question. If I ask a question, compare the attitude of the child before entering to the fair and in the later half of the once he was lost. If a question is like this, compare the attitude of the child before entering to the fair and after being separated from the parents. The change in his behavior, the change in the perspective. Who would answer? Neha, again, nobody else. Nitesh, I think you have answered. Drashti, unmute yourself. Yes, Drashti. Please answer. Yes, Drashti. Yes, Drashti, answer the question. The change in the perspective of the lost child while entering to the fair and then after being lost and separated. What happened? What were the changes? Drashti, your voice is not coming. Anushka, would you be able to try? Anushka, unmute yourself.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anushka. Could you please answer this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, before the separation, the child was very happy and excited at the fair, and he was fascinated with all the things that were displayed at the stalls. He wanted to have all the things like the favorite toys, sweets, flowers, etc. He also wanted to go for a ride. But after separation, the boy just wanted to be with his parents. He was not interested in any of those things which he kept longing to have from the stalls in the absence of his parents. These things did not give him any satisfaction.
Very nice. Perfect answer. Absolutely
Thank you,
perfect.
ma'am.
Very well also. And yes, Jaya, your answer is very nice. If I ask you what happened in the end of the story, what do you think happened in the end? Nobody else than Nitesh? Nitesh, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Would you like to say this answer? What
Yes,
happened in the
ma'am.
end of the story? According to you, what happened at the end?
Ma'am, I think that uh, the child was unable to find his parents, uh, and the kind-hearted man took him to his house and took care of him. And after some time, the child's parents founded him and took him from there.
He adopted him as his own son
Yes, ma'am.
and take care of him for the rest of his life. Yes, very nice answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else wants to say? Hina, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you
Ma'am,
think what happened at the end of the story?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, according to my point of view, I feel that the child find his parents at last, because the stranger was also very kind-hearted person. He must have tried his best to find his parents, and the parents of the child also must have left no stone to find their child. So that I feel that child find his parents at last.
Very nice answer. Both of the answers were correct. It is your point of view. It is your imagination. You can write anything you want. My only concern is that grammar should be correct, spelling should be correct, and it should cover all the essence of the captured in the question. Other than that, there are simple exercises. Please write the complete sentence and underline the answer that you have written. And paragraph writing should be having a title. Title should be properly underlined, and you should stick to the word limits. It should not be a small paragraph. It should cover all the questions given in this. The essence of the question should be there. I think the time is about to close. You have another class also. Do you have any doubts? So still, do you have any doubt regarding any of the question? You want to revise the first chapter? Topic of the paragraph could be any topic. Repeat the syllabus. Or Ruchi, you have joined late. I will mark you present. For Ruchi, the entire grammar section and chapter 1 from reader, chapter 1 from beehive, and in maths, chapter number 1, 2, and 3. I'm marking you present. Anybody else who have joined late? Raise your hand. Please click the photograph properly. Make one proper PDF. Don't send PDF for other papers. Yes, Neha? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. आपने ना फर्स्ट जो बिहाइव का फर्स्ट चैप्टर था रोड नॉट टेकन के रिवीजन नहीं करवाया, तो मैम वो चैप्टर नहीं आ रहा क्या?
वो बेटा पोएम है, फर्स्ट चैप्टर
Yes,
पोएम
ma'am,
है.
poem.
You want question from that also?
Ma'am, I am asking कि आपने इसका रिवीजन नहीं कराया तो
क्या नहीं करवाया मैंने? See, that is a chapter. I'm sorry, I didn't get the last of the question. वो पोएम सेक्शन है. पोएम सेक्शन का फर्स्ट चैप्टर मैंने नहीं लिया है. मैंने सिर्फ रीडर बिहाइव का चैप्टर फर्स्ट लिया है, जिसका मैंने रिवीजन किया है. Yes, for English and for maths also. Once you complete your read the instruction given in the WhatsApp group, official WhatsApp group. There, please read. Yes, there is one question paper of English reader and grammar combined. There are no separate. Entire paper has to be sent to me. I will check the papers. ऐसा नहीं है कि आधा क्वेश्चन आप अलग देंगे आधा अलग देंगे. चारों क्वेश्चन का एक जो आंसर है उसका प्रॉपर पीडीएफ बनाइए, ईमेल में प्रॉपर लिखिए. क्वेश्चन पेपर में भी ऊपर आपका नाम, क्लास सेक्शन प्रॉपर्ली लिखा होना चाहिए. फोटो शुड बी क्लियर. इट शुड बी वन प्रॉपर पीडीएफ फाइल. Yes, I think yes. And read after the class. Go through the WhatsApp schedule that madam has shared with the group, and there it is self-explanatory. Kindly go through it once. So day after tomorrow we'll have English exam, and on Monday we will have maths exam. So best of luck. Please do not make any grammatical mistake. I will deduct marks if anybody has not written properly And if it is not a capital letter in the starting of the sentence, if any proper noun is not in a capital letter, if the sentence doesn't end with a full stop, I will deduct your marks. If there is any spelling mistake, I will deduct your marks. Harshal, unmute yourself.
मैम क्लास थोड़ी ना होगी जब टेस्ट चलेगा.
नहीं बेटा, it's not possible. How will I teach you if you are doing your test?
Okay, ma'am.
Hitesh, it is all the written tests are of 20 numbers. Every test is of 20 numbers. Shiraz, what is your query? Unmute yourself. Shiraz, quickly.
मैं अगर एग्जाम के बीच में भी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो कोई टीचर होगी क्या?
नहीं. What problem do you think that is there? क्या problem होगा? Spelling mistake?
हाँ, कोई भी क्वेश्चन में किसी भी चीज में.
No, they would not be helping you. They would be teacher at the exam time, yes. But no, you have to do it on your own. See if there is a spelling mistake, printing error कुछ हो गया, तो kindly adjust and see. Get the gist of the sentence. हो सकता है क्योंकि because we are not physically checking the paper, so there might be some problem. पर अपने हिसाब से आप टेस्ट दीजिए अपनी समझ के हिसाब से. आपको मोटा मोटा मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट बता दिया. एक इंग्लिश में फर्स्ट आपका क्वेश्चन है पैराग्राफ राइटिंग का. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है आपकी ग्रामर के एक्सरसाइजेस, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. If there is a slight spelling mistake का only 2 questions है, दोनों चैप्टर में से एक क्वेश्चन है और क्वेश्चंस मैंने मर्ज करे हैं, तो आपको आंसर्स भी मर्ज करके ही लिखने पड़ेंगे. मैथ सेक्शन में चैप्टर 1 से एक ही क्वेश्चन है, चैप्टर 3 से एक ही क्वेश्चन है. चैप्टर 3 में प्लॉट करना होगा आपको, ग्राफ करना ही है, तो कोई बात नहीं, आप आराम से स्केल से नीटली बनाएंगे और प्लॉट करेंगे. चैप्टर 2 इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसमें से 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये आप अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं कहें कि मुझे कोई समझा नहीं पाया तो मैं पता नहीं कर पाया. Yes, every exam will have 1 hour time limit. So don't give me excuses कि मैडम को एक्सप्लेन करने को नहीं था कि is है कि are है. Use your own common sense. Nitesh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. मैम
Yes.
वो रिटन टेस्ट में तो मैम कोई चीटिंग भी कर सकता है फिर?
That I trust my students will not do that. I believe you will not.
Yes, ma'am.
So please do it honestly and try to solve it as much as you know. Hitesh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your query?
Ma'am, the full exam of we will get 1 hour or for writing 1 hour and for making PDF and sending to you that we will get some time for that.
I think total you will have 1 hour. You have to complete your exam, click the photograph, quickly convert and send email. I think the entire process will have only 1 hour. So I will give you a margin of 10-15 minutes. That is okay. Absolutely fine. For 15 minutes extra, I will wait. No problem. So if you get a question paper at 9 o'clock, I will wait till 10:15. 15 minutes I'm giving you as a buffer zone for you to click a photograph, convert it, and sending it. No problem. Any other question?